My name's Kyle Jenkins. I work for Texas Dewatering. I've been in this industry for about 15 years. All of it has always been dirt work, working with equipment like this, constant steady work in this kind of environment. This job we're on right now is called PA-14. It's a Corps of Engineers job. Mainly what we're doing is digging out the lateral and perimeter ditches for dredging material coming out of the Houston Ship Channel that gets dredged into here. The material that we're messing with is really silty, gummy, sticky, really thick mud. It's not something that you can drive regular equipment on, and even a lot of equipment that we've tried out here does not work very well. What we like most about using EIK pontoons is the multi-drive system, which makes it effortless in this kind of material. For sure, EIK I would put at the top of the list. It's everything from the power that it produces into the tracks, to the quality, to just the way it all operates and works together. It's the best that we've had. And I mean, we've been through a lot of brands, and I by far would say EIK is the best.